Hello YouTube! Today, Christine Kid 12 is reviewing the Gavril Dynamo. Now, this is quite an old mod, and it also is only the demo. I don't have the full mod yet, but I'm sure we will be reviewing that at some point. So first I'm going to show you the features of this vehicle. So we got I think this is the ignition. Oh no, that's the headlights. Right here is like if you look here, I believe that's the turn signal. Let me look on the front. No, it's not. But this, oh, it's the light for the interior. That's what it's for. Now, both doors have a window crank. So, by doing that, the window goes down, and by doing it up, the window goes up. If you do it, yeah, same thing on this side. Now, all the way up, and if you look, it's all the way down now. There's a lot of traffic down there, and it has these two, or like, hold on, you can't see it. It has these ones for like the back windows. I've never seen this in a car, but that's pretty cool. Then it has the interior light, functional hood, functional. What is people? Sorry. And it has all opening doors. And it has a opening trunk, which is pretty cool. Now, most vehicles in BeamNG have all this stuff, but I just figured I'd show you that, just so you know. There is latches on the inside of the doors, too. Most people know that. But yeah. So this is the dynamo, but now we are going to drive. Wait, why can't I steer? No, what? What? I can't steer. Hold on. Move the camera. Now I can steer. My camera's sitting on my keys. I'm gonna pull out right here. Now, I don't think it does very well on the sand, but, excuse my horrible driving. Horrible. No, I'm spinning out because I'm trying to fix the camera. Ah! Sorry. Alright, let me just fixate it on the car. Alright, there we go. And now we're stuck. Yeah, this vehicle is definitely not meant for that, but, let's go here. Let's turn around over here. Now, this is the only configuration I have, because this is the demo. Sadly, I don't have the whole mod yet, but let's test the crash physics. So let's just crash it into a pool. Ooh! The whole engine flew out. Wait, where did it go? Oh wait, no, it's still in there, but it's like in the car. Hold on. No, why does it keep doing this? Okay. Yeah, there's way too much damage right here. Like, I think you would get impaled by, what is that, the gear shift, or the gearbox, I believe. Wow, that's just crazy. But yeah, this car is actually pretty durable. Well, I say that, and I mean, like, it looks like a triangle right now, so. The back's completely fine, though. Will the trunk still open? Wait, the trunk doesn't open anymore. What? Oh, it goes so slow. But what is happening? I can't do anything. But yeah, so that's what it is. Thank you, YouTube, for watching. Thank you for watching. Christine Kid out. Bye.